Good morning, everyone, and happy Vlogmas Day 17.
Powder sugar in the snow, candy cane and mistletoe. Can I please get an espresso?
Currently 9:20 in the morning, and I just booked a facial that I actually need to run out the door and head to right now. I threw on this outfit because it's easy, light, and airy. So TMI, but your girl started her time of the month, and I was getting really nervous because it had been a while since I'd started. I haven't gotten my cycle since Greece, which was really concerning, and I was planning on seeing the doctor when I got back to the States to get it checked out because that's like a long time. Personally, I think it's all the traveling and my body's just not used to it. But we're back, so that's why we're wearing all dark today. Hi. Morning. Okay, so I'm on my way. I'm in the car right now on my way to go get a facial, and it should take like an hour. So after that, do you guys want to meet up at the cafe apartments? Let's try to push for 11 then, or maybe even after 11. So it's a good thing if they are sleepy, because I don't know. It might take like an hour 30. How was last night? 5 in the morning. I just got here. Apparently the spot is in a hotel, which is kind of cool. Cafe apartments. Of course they choose the freaking 8th floor. My friends that I'm meeting. Whew. And the elevator costs money, so we're walking. I've ever had in my life. I thought it was the blueberry one in Malaysia. I was wrong. This is way better.
Commentary about where we're at right now?
Yeah.
Had like eggnog, yogurt, coffee. I was not feeling good. Just had only coffee all day, and now I'm having like a milkshake before sushi. So good luck to my stomach. Ooh.
Okay, so fascinating. Love tofu so much, so I did order just a side plate of it. Alright, I ordered 3 more because it was that good. You should see it. Amanda, what did we get?
I think they have like avocado, crab.
Kylie just got her nails done in Vietnam. Look at how good these look. How much was it?
$60 USD.
Wow. We just stumbled upon this little pottery shop, and you can make like custom pottery. And this is the first time that I'm literally seeing oat milk on a menu. Matcha latte with oat milk. Look at how cute. There's like a little loft area up there, and you can just sit and enjoy your drinks. There's an upstairs. It gets better. Are you kidding me right now? Thank you. You guys have a good day. It's so I'm so glad we stumbled upon this.
I've been around, but I can't get you out of my
Yeah, we did a lot of damage today, guys. Maybe like a little too crazy.
But the thoughts, they seem to drown me instead.
What is the life you lead? So ahead of yourself that you forgot. Thinking about life when I one you never know. Small town, small.
Cute!
So,
Very rough
this
draft.
is a very rough draft.
Can you like make sound effects when you need them?
Yeah.
Wait, Rick, when did you finish filming or editing this?
Like 5 minutes ago.
Okay, sick.
Can you put it on Nextcloud when it's done?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'd like to thank the crew working on this film.
Yeah!
It's been an honor to get to know them and experience this process. Please don't take it serious. Yeah.
Wow, this so bad.
Oh yeah.
Crackling wood, I'll see